Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the True Hotel at the Grand Station in Hanoi, and we're in room 1506. Let's take a look, okay, on what the True Hotel by Hilton looks like here. First, we have the room. This is a two twin bed room, and because of that, you can see how the room is very tight. There's the two twin beds. They're really side by side. They're on a platform. You step up, but they give you slippers. This is where you plug in the little light. There's a curtain divider to block out some of the things. Then you have this sink. The refrigerator is on the other side here, and then you have the sink with the mirror. And then if you go open the door, there's your toilet and your shower enclosure in this frosted glass, wall. It's very interesting, very nice. And so we'll be here 2 nights. So that's a review. So take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.